You click print from a Chromebook, then spend lunch fighting menus, missing scanners, and extra setup. The mistake is buying features your desk, router, or workload won't use. So we're counting down to the one I'd actually buy. A Chromebook printer lives or dies on connection choices, scanner workflow, desk space, and cartridge patience. Let's move. Number 4. Canon PIXMA MG3620. Want the cheapest sensible lane without turning printing into a hobby? Choose it for light, regular use where color matters and scanning stays occasional. This basic all-in-one color inkjet gives you printing and a flatbed scanner. It can handle school forms, return labels, and the odd color page. The catch is the cheap printer routine, poor page yields, and high maintenance. The tricolor cartridge can also waste ink when one color runs out. That gets annoying fast. I would skip it for a busy home office. Also skip it if you need a display, sturdier feel, or fewer ink interruptions. Number 3. Brother HLL2460DW. If your printer mostly spits out forms, shipping labels, and black text, this is the focused budget move. I'd pick it for a Chromebook desk, where scanning happens somewhere else and color is just not part of the job. It's a printer-only monochrome laser, and that simplicity is the whole appeal. It can move document stacks quickly, up to 34 pages per minute, which matters when you're printing a packet before leaving. Connectivity options include Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and USB, so you aren't trapped in one setup path. But it's deliberately narrow. No color, no copying, and no scanning. Skip it if you need one box for every office chore. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET-2980. This is where I'd move if your household prints enough color to hate tiny cartridges. It's an all-in-one color inkjet super tank, so the pitch is longer refill intervals instead of constant cartridge swaps. The ink bottles last for thousands of pages, which makes sense for families printing homework, recipes, forms, and casual photos. It connects over USB and Wi-Fi, with Mopria print service support for the Chromebook and Android side of the house. But the scanner keeps it from being the office pick. There's no automatic document feeder, so longer scans mean placing pages on the flatbed yourself. Skip it if multi-page scanning is routine, or if the printer may sit and used for long stretches. Number 1. Canon Color imageCLASS MF665CDW. This is the one I'd buy for a real Chromebook home office, not just occasional print chores. It's an all-in-one color laser, so it fits the person who prints documents, scans packets, and wants fewer workflow compromises. The connection story is the strongest here. Wi-Fi, USB, Ethernet, and Mopria give you wired and wireless routes instead of one fragile path. For document output, it reaches up to 26 pages per minute, which feels right for batches, invoices, and school packets. The automatic document feeder also handles duplex scanning, so double-sided paperwork doesn't become a page-flipping project. The trade-off is photos. I'd skip it if photo quality matters, or if you really want a small, cheap inkjet for light use. Here's the clean split. Pick the PIXMA for cheap light color, the Brother for black text laser simplicity, and the EcoTank for regular color with fewer refills. But if your Chromebook desk needs printing and scanning to feel boring, the Canon Color laser is the safest upgrade path. Before you buy, check your exact connection plan, where the printer will sit, and whether you scan stacks or single pages. Also, prices and availability change, so check before you buy. If you print lightly, start with the PIXMA. If it's only black text, get the Brother. For regular household color, choose the EcoTank. For the home office I trust most, pick the Canon Color laser. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.